Yeah, make sure you get a photo there of the old man.
Hey Jay, what do you think?
I like it.